Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you people have completed your worksheet and assignment. So in the previous class, we mainly discussed about the human resources. We discussed how human itself is a resource. Further, we understood about the human resource development. Alright, so today we shall continue with chapter and we shall discuss short topic which is conservation of resources. So, conservation of resources, what is it? The increasing demand is causing overpopulation of available resources. It is therefore important to use these resources judiciously and conserve them for future generations. So, what is the meaning of conservation? To use something wisely, mind the need and the demand, and to save for the future generations. So, with the increasing population, the demand of resources is growing rapidly. Alright. So, as we know that the population increasing is day by day, and we have limited resources with us, and the increasing population demands more and more resources. Alright. So now the conservation of resources means it is important to use resources wisely and preserve them for future generations. Conservation of resources is possible through sustainable development. Now what is this sustainable development? We shall discuss sustainable development. Before that, deforestation, overmining, overfishing are some of the reasons why resources are depleting fast and the environment is getting damaged. The practices of 3 R's must be followed in order to save and extend the availability of the resources. So basically the thing is why the reason behind the depletion of resources so fast. Some reasons can be deforestation, overmining, fishing, and many more things. The practices of 3 R's. Now what is this 3 R? So as you can see in the picture, it is reduce, recycle, and reuse. So reducing the use of resources, recycling the use of resources, and reusing the use of resources. So this will lead to the conservation of resources. Careful utilization of resources and giving them to get renewed is called as resource conservation. This we have discussed. It is needed for present and future purposes. There are many ways to conserve the resources. They are reducing consumption, recycling, and reusing that we have discussed right now. So basically reducing the consumption. So we should use the resources in a very wise manner, in a very wise way, so that it can be conserved for rest of the people also. Sustainable development. Carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirement of the present also takes care of future generations. It means that utilizing the resources in such a way so that it can fulfill the need and demand of the people in present as well as in the future also. That is known as sustainable development. Now, conservation of resources, it is only possible through sustainable development. There are some principles. What are those? You can also see in the NCERT book, it is given in the glossary part, some principles are given. The first one you can see here is careful utilization of resources. Second, minimize the depletion of natural resources. Third one, brings awareness and change personal attitude and practices. The next one is improve the quality of human life. So basically, first of all, we need to make people aware about the need of the resources and about the resources to be saved for the future generation. Also, what we have to do, we have to utilize it very carefully. We have to utilize it. We should minimize the depletion of natural resources like the mining Mining, it leads to the depletion of resources, and also improve the quality of human life. Now, conclusion. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable, the diversity of life on the earth is conserved, and the next one, a damage to natural environment system is minimized. So what we have studied today, we mainly focused on the topic conservation of resources. The increasing demand is causing overpopulation or exploitation of available resources. It is therefore important to use these resources judiciously and conserve them for the future generations. Conservation of resources is possible through the sustainable development. Deforestation, overmining, overfishing are some of the reasons why resources are depleting fast and the environment is getting damaged. The practices of 3 Rs must be followed in order to save and extend the availability of resources. Now moving towards the assignment. Here it is. What is sustainable development? What is resource conservation? And discuss the need for conservation of resources. So till then you do the assignment. So today we completed our chapter, and you will get one more assignment on the basis of the whole chapter.